Hello guys, good morning. Good morning one and all. This is Hanuman Nayak and the Navodaya class of the today's session is I will teach you on the some problems, important calculations. In the important calculations, the model number 1. The first model is if the problem is 2 plus 4 minus 6 plus 8. If this is the problem, what is the solution for this question? Can you tell me the solution? So if the problem is like this, your solution is actually first is there is a one rule. That rule is called BODMAS. 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 This rule is called BODMAS rule, right? So in that rule, what to do? Just forget about these two numbers just for a few minutes. Now see here, your first preference goes to this D. D stands for division and M stands for multiplication and A stands for addition. This is the third preference, and fourth one is subtraction. The fourth one is what? Subtraction. So here what to do means, in the given question, first you have to check there is any divisions are there not. If there is a division, you have to first do the division and after that go for the multiplication. If there is any multiplication is there or not, go for the multiplication and do the multiplication. If multiplication is now also not there or you completed multiplication, then after go for addition. So once completion of the addition part, after then only you go to the subtraction. So this is the rule. Now according to this BODMAS rule, now given the question is contain the what symbols? The plus and minus. There is a no division and there is a no multiplication. Addition and subtraction. In the addition and subtraction, your first preference to whom? Addition only. Your second preference to whom? Subtraction. And very important thing is the first number is contain the what symbol, guys? If there is a no symbol, you have to assume always plus. You have to assume if the before the first symbol there is a no symbol na. If there is a minus, then they will mention that. If not minus, then you have to assume always that is what? Plus. That is what? Plus. Now your first job is in the entire equation, in this statement, wherever the plus symbols are there, first add those all. Right now here I am adding 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. Right, first I am giving the preference to addition. 2 4 plus is how much? 6. After that, where is the plus is there? Here 8. Right, this 6 plus 8 is how much? 14. Yes or no? Now right here 14 minus here the number is what? 6. 14 minus 6 is how much? 8. This is the answer. 8 is answer. You have to do like this. So the next question is second question. If I here the problem is, see that 2 plus 3 minus 4 into 2. If this is the problem, then what is the solution for this? Yes, can you tell me the solution? According to the BODMAS rule, according to the BODMAS rule, what is this? First you have to be, we start D M A S. Yes or no? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? First there is a division, no division, so division is not there, just remove that. Then after give the preference to whom? Multiplication. Is multiplication is there? Yes. Where is that? Where is that multiplication? Here. Yes or no? Then write is same statement, 2 plus 3 minus 4 into 2 is how much? 8. 4 2s are 8. Right, then the multiplication is also completed. Yes or no? Yes. Then go for the next step. Next, who is the next step? Addition. Where is the addition is there? If first symbol is carry, first number carry the what symbol? Plus. Write the plus. Then add these two numbers. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Because of 8 is contained minus, so 5 minus 8. Now here first symbol, first number is contained what symbol? Plus. Plus 5 minus 8. So what to do? You have to do the subtraction. That is how much? 3. and out of these two numbers, which number is largest number carries a what symbol? Largest number carries a what? Minus symbol. Yes or no? So keep the minus here. That's the answer. Okay, you have to do like this. Now next problem, see that problem number 3. If the problem is 4 divisible 2 into 3 minus 4 plus 1, what is the solution for this question? What is the solution? Yes, the solution for this here according to the DMAS. What is the solution? First give the division, right? So where is the division part is there? Here the first term is the division part. Now I hope you are good in 4 division by 2, that is equal to how to write, guys? First number in the first and second number is here. Now I hope you guys are knows that how to write in the simplest form. Yes or no? Yes. According to the simplest form, take any one table and numerator and denominator cancel it in the same table. Now I have selected the 2 table. In 2 table where the 2 is comes, 2 ones are 2, and where the 4 is comes, same table, 2 twos are 4. Now my answer is how much? 2 by 1. That is equal to, can I write 2? Yes. Now the solution of this complete part is how much? 2. So now write it 2, and in next symbol is what? Into 3 minus 4 plus 1. Yes or no? And the next preference to whom? Division is completed. Go for the multiplication. Yes. Now multiply these two numbers. Yes or no? Where is the multiplication? Here. 3 twos are how much? 6 minus 4 plus 1, right? And then after that what to do? Multiplication also completed. Addition. Go for the addition. First number is contain what? Addition symbol right here. Wherever the addition are there, here first one and last one. So add these two numbers first. 6 plus 1, 7, minus 4 is minus 4. Now this symbol is contain carry plus. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. Out of these two larger number contain what symbol? Plus. Keep the plus here, right? This is a way to approach the problem, guys. The next problem, the problem number 4. Yes, and now see here, 12 divisible 3 plus 7 minus 6 into 3. This is the question. What is the solution for this question? Can you guess? Yes, try this. So first give the preference to whom? This. Yes, 12 by 3. 12 by 3 means what? In 3 table where the 12 is goes, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, right? So your answer is 4 here. Write the 4 plus 7 minus 6 into 3, right? The next preference to whom? This. 6 threes are how much? 18. Right here 18 minus here. Yes. Now multiplication is also completed. Then after what is the remaining? Only addition and subtraction. The first number is addition. Yeah. Then add these two numbers first. 4 plus 7, 11 minus 18. Right. And this is how much? This is the plus and this is. So your answer is 7. What is 7 plus 7 or minus 7? Minus 7. This is the way to approach the problem. Now your job is just complete this. After that, watch the and these 4 problems. Try to solve the more and more problems until you understand the concept. Okay, guys. And after that, I will send you the papers to do the complete your exam. Thank you. Bye.